Hello everyone, I'm Joan. Today, I'll be unboxing the Hanron Paper DK A-30S printer. First, remove the two securing cable ties. These are all the materials that make up the printer. This is the accessory pack. This is a tool installed in front of the printer that provides heating and cutting for the printed film. Now, let's open up this packaging. This is the bracket for mounting the film. The accessory pack contains commonly used tools and brackets. Now, let's install these three components onto the printer. Step 1. Install the brackets to secure the film mounting rod. Bracket installation complete. Place the fixed film mounting rod onto the bracket. Step 2. Install the preheating plate onto the front of the printer. It comes with a cutting roller. Remove the 3 screws at the front of the machine. Then, connect the 2 sets of power cables. Step 3. Snap the 2 clips into the slots. Install the 3 screws at the bottom. Remove the sheet metal securing the small front section so that it can move. Then, install the printing film. Remove the film loading rod. Turn on the power. Press the pressure roller switch, and the pressure roller opens automatically. After the film is installed, press the pressure roller switch again. This is an ink bucket. Platform suction controller. This is the circulation pump that regulates the white ink circulation. This allows its density to be adjusted. This is the waste ink tank. Connect the computer via an Ethernet cable. This is the entire process for disassembling and reassembling the DK A-30S. If you encounter any issues while using our printer, please feel free to contact our official hotline.